Okay, peoples, guess where we're headed today? Starts with I, ends with Kia. Can you guess? It's the IKEA in Montreal. Mobilier et décoration. Let's check it out. You know, you would think we're coming here for furniture, but we're actually coming here to eat. Because if you didn't know, the best poutine is at IKEA. And very reasonably priced. And their fish and chips, pretty muy bien. Look at that. 200 carts. Look at all these cars here. You think it's a weekend. It's just a Monday. It's just a lundi. Lundi is Monday, in case you guys are wondering, in French. This guys, look at that. It's a caterpillar. Here we go. Entree. That's what we're about to have. It's an entree. Hello, where's your restaurant? Thank you. Wow, this one's nice. This is autopilot walking. Autopilot. That's manual. Autopilot. Manual. Autopilot. Which one do you guys prefer? Comment below. Oh, she made it before us. It's okay, because we're chilling. Look, feet not moving. Technology taking us up. All right. This is not where we're going right now. This is where we're going right now. Because I'm hombre. Wow. Yeah, it is pretty. Nice decor. Definitely bigger than the one in Toronto. See if they have something different on their menu. My favorite stuff, the drinks. Grab one of their wiggly squiggly carts. Have you seen these wiggly squiggly carts? If you guys haven't been to IKEA before, this is how it works. It's like a cafeteria. You gotta stack your own food and then pay for it at the end. Damn, it looks good. Guess what I'm getting today? I'm gonna get me some fish and chips. And here's a hack, guys. You get them to put some gravy on your fish and chips. And I don't have cheese because I'm lactose intolerant, unless it's really good. So if you add the gravy, it becomes kind of like a poutine with the fish and chips. How crazy is that? A hedge for you. A hedge for me. And a hedge for he. A hedge for everybody. You gotta hedge your hedge. Hedge it, hedge it. What does hedge mean again?
Of course I know.
What does it mean?
I don't want to tell you.
You know what? It's a secret?
Yeah.
You don't want to share?
You gotta ask one of the heads over there to see what that means.
Oh man. I think it means hello.
Oh, really?
Hedge means hello. Tell me you guys are not getting hungry looking at these things. Have you eaten at IKEA? Oh my god. Apple cake looks yummy. Right about now, everything looks yummy. Gâteau. Gâteau is not to be confused with ghetto. Gâteau means cake in French. That looks basic to me. That looks like it's for niños. Yes, it is for niños. It says plat pour enfants, boulette de viande, which means meatballs. 4 boulettes de viande avec purée de pommes. Wow, look at their drinks. They look so exotic. This is the good stuff. Nordic fruit water. So good, so good. Not too sweet, just enough wateriness. All right, guys, we have a little bit of a dilemma. A little poquito problem. They don't have the fish that go with the fish and chips. Instead, they have fish boulettes. Poisson, boulette de poisson, which are balls. They put the fish in the ball. How do you put a fish in a ball? I'm pretty sure it's just like fish guts all rolled up into a ball. Kind of like what they do with the hot dogs. You know? Whatever's left over, they put it all together, call it a hot dog, or call it a fish ball. But we're gonna try it because we don't want to knock it till we try it. Let you guys know how it tastes. This, boys and girls, right here is heaven. This is where the goodies are made. Bonjour, est-ce que je peux avoir un boulet de poisson? Oui, et frites. Pratiquez mon français. Est-ce que je peux avoir un petit peu de gravy aussi? Merci beaucoup. Sur les... Bro, you speak English.
Yeah, I do.
I'm trying so hard to
No,
speak
it's
French.
fine. No, it's fine. I'm practicing. Yeah, I love when people tell me. Yeah. I don't want to speak English just because your first language is you're practicing French. I like to like pop up.
Thank you. Boys and girls, this is where it's at. Look at this.
It's true, I'm not worried about you.
Look at this piece of heaven right here. Hedge this. And I hedge it in my mouth. Mmm, delish. Grab one of these bad boys. What is this? Samosa vegetarian? Maybe we try that. She looks good. I hope it's good.
You did for yourself? That's broken.
It's broken because I beat it up. Alright guys, we're gonna try these fish balls. Doesn't look like a ball, but actually doesn't look bad when I cut it up. Not bad. And our poutine that we manufactured, our hack. Yum. Yum, yum. Let's try this thing. What is this? They call this a vegetable samosa? It doesn't even look like a samosa. But it's good. It's buttery. Yum. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this. Ciao. Check it out. Bon appetit. I had my bon appetit. I just ate a ton of food and I feel satiated. I feel really grateful. Grateful to IKEA, grateful to Montreal, grateful for my company, of people that joined me and the people who prepared the food and everything it took for the food to come to us and into my belly. I'm so grateful. Really delicious food, very satisfying and inexpensive. Nice combination, that's how I like it. All right guys, we're gonna head out of IKEA and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching as always, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. I'll catch you later. Ciao.